last scheduled match on Mercury, but we do have one replay to go. Robots moving. We have an unfortunate hit with the charge station on that blue side, going to make it hard to get the engagement, which is usually pretty consistent for Cerberus. We come to driver operated control. 2 minutes and 15 seconds of students driving their machines. 8088 Bionic Panthers engaged with that grid. They come untangled to drop off their cube, and they do. Cerberus is quickly moving game pieces, shuttling them into the low positions. 5261. They're also shuttling those midfield game pieces into the community. This is a strategy we've seen all weekend from these robots to try and quickly get game pieces to their partners or into those low nodes. 5261 Cybershock is shocking 8088 with some defense across the middle of the field. Meanwhile, Audi, they're coming through that open lane. 2 cones on the red side, trying to complete a link and get some points. We have a lot of the low pieces scored for the Blue Alliance as they come across. It looks like 8370 Glow with the Flow having some trouble near the scorers table. And a deep entanglement in there in the middle of the field with 5261 Cybershock continuing to play aggressive defense on the Red Alliance. Blue trying to just slow down this red scoring machine as effectively as they can. With 1 minute remaining, it is still a 5-point advantage for Blue. Remember, those game pieces scored on the low nodes, while they may only be worth 2, a complete link is still worth 5, contributing to a lot of their score. With 45 seconds remaining, we have 2 links for Blue, 1 link for Red. Cooperation achieved, only 1 link, 4 links necessary for the ranking point. All 3 Blue robots screaming in parallel in the middle of the field. As we come to the end game, a lot of defense happening here in the last qualification of the day. We'll see if this is indicative of what to expect in the playoffs here in Texas. With 20 seconds remaining, 7506 wildcards, they're down. They won't be able to engage. The 2 Blue robots going up. Red trying to get some last second scores before the end game. Audibots, they're up. They're on. They're off. Can we get 3 Blue robots with 4, 3, 2, 1. And we'll see how the refs score this match. It should be a tight one. For the last scheduled match of the day, we have 1 replay before our rankings are set on Mercury. Final scores for qualification 80 are up on the board. It's the Red Alliance winning by 1 point, 87-86. Penalty is the decider in our last match, scheduled match of the day. We are now setting up for our replay from earlier in the day. That will be the last qualification match here on Mercury.